This is how Europeans fry their eggs. And this is how Africans cook the eggs.
Don't use it as an advantage, please.
Okay, have you ever asked yourself why Europeans never whisk their eggs when frying? Why Africans whisk their eggs when frying them? And this is where my root research study began. In most cases, when Europeans fry their eggs, they likely to crack the eggs directly into the hot pan of oil, ready for starting frying the eggs. However, there is also a European dish where eggs are not whisked before frying, such as fried eggs or sunny side up eggs. And when it comes to the African side, the habit of Africans to whisk the eggs before frying is the cooking culture of people in Africa. But same as in European, there are some dishes that not involve whisking of the eggs. So it really depends on the dish being prepared and personal preference rather than a strict rule against whisking the eggs before frying. But for my opinion, I think the African style of frying eggs is the catch one. I've tasted a lot of foods, fruits, and spices, but I think when I mix the eggs and fry them, I will get the taste which is more satisfying. But you can also tell on the appearance and texture of the eggs. The African way of cooking eggs look very much more satisfying than the European way. Okay, I need everyone to just go on the comment below and comment which way of cooking eggs you think is the better one and most satisfying for your cooking. Yeah, so if you see this video is very new to you, make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until the next time, bye bye.